Welcome, young artists and crafters, to VV Eduware. Today, we have a fantastic and sunny craft project that will brighten up your day and your windows. Get ready to make your very own paper plate sun catchers. These vibrant decorations will add a pop of color to any window and bring a smile to your face. Let's gather the materials needed for this sunny craft project. You'll need paper plates, colored tissue paper, scissors, glue, and some yarn or string for hanging. To start, take your paper plate and carefully cut out the center, leaving a border. This will be the base for our sun catcher masterpiece. Now, let's get creative. Cut out colorful tissue paper into different shapes like circles, triangles, and squares. The more vibrant, the better. Time to let our inner artist shine. Take your tissue paper shapes and glue them onto the paper plate border. Create a beautiful pattern or design, filling up the entire space. Now, let's add a cheerful touch to our sun catcher. Draw and color a big, bright sun in the center of the paper plate. Attach a piece of yarn or string to the top of your paper plate sun catcher. Now it's ready to be hung in the window, ready to catch some sunlight. Hang your beautiful paper plate sun catcher in a sunny window and watch as the colorful tissue paper catches the light, creating a vibrant display of colors. Congratulations, little artists! You have successfully created your own paper plate sun catchers. Let your creativity shine through and brighten up your day with this sunny craft. Thank you for joining us today, young artists. Don't forget to subscribe to VV Eduware for more crafty projects, educational content, and lots of laughter.